This is the story of a boy named Ravi and his one big dream. What if one thing could change your whole life? For him, it was English.
So let's meet Ravi. He lives in this quiet village but has a huge dream.
He truly believed this one thing. English could change everything for him.
But, there was a problem. At school, he just felt lost.
And then, one day, students from the city visited. They spoke English so fluently. Fluently, it just means speaking a language smoothly, without even thinking about it. And that made Ravi feel, pretty small and really shy. But that feeling, it lit a fire in him. He knew, I have to change.
So he went to his teacher, who gave him this simple plan, his new roadmap.
And that last part, daily, that was the most important. It means every single day. So he started right away. Simple words. Hello, my name is Ravi, over and over.
And repeating those words built something amazing. Confidence, a belief in himself.
Then he found an old English book, and in it, he learned a new word, courage.
Courage. It's not about being fearless, right? It's about being brave even when you're scared.
This was a huge shift for him. He realized mistakes weren't bad. They were just learning. And wow, look at the change. From confused and shy to proud and confident. So, the city students came back. But this time, Ravi wasn't afraid.
He actually walked right up to them and said it. Simple, confident.
He used that word improving, which just means, getting better at something.
So what was Ravi's secret? It wasn't money. It wasn't genius. It was one simple thing.
He was consistent. That means doing something again and again and never stopping. So this was his path. Start small, practice daily, repeat, and believe. That's it. Look, if Ravi can do it, you can too. The only question is, what will you start today?